Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can upload your all iPhone photos to Google Drive. So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. So to upload the photos to Google Drive app, first of all, you have to install the Google Drive app from the App Store. So let's go to the App Store and here search for Drive. So here you can see I have already installed this Google Drive app, and in the next step you have to go to your photos folder and here you have to click on this recent. So this folder has all the photos and videos of my iPhone. As my Google Drive has limited space, so I will show you how you can do that by selecting another folder from my iPhone. The process is same, you just have to do the same steps for your recents folder also. So here let's say that I will select this folder and here I will select all the pictures of this folder. Next step is I will simply click on this share and I will scroll it to the left and I will click on this more. Now I will simply scroll it down and I will select Drive. So here you can do bunch of different steps. First of all, you can select your Google account. So here you can see I have 4 different Google accounts and I have selected this Google account to upload my photos. And in the next step, either you can create a new folder or you can upload all your photos to existing folder. So let's say that I will create a new folder and I will simply click on this save here. Now in the final step, you have to click on this upload. So here you can see the uploading is started. So depending on your internet speed, it may take some time. So all of the photos are successfully uploaded to Google Drive. So to locate your photos, you simply have to open Google Drive app. And here you can see this is the folder. So I will simply click on this iPhone. And here you can see these are all my pictures.